Okay, so in photography we talk a lot about capturing beauty on the mundane. So it's a nice day here in Kyoto, and one tip is always look up, because by looking up you can make nice photos. Tilting the camera, take some nice photos. And finding beauty in the mundane means to just find ordinary objects like these little plastic bottles and seeing the beautiful light. So generally I'd recommend getting close and try to work the scene, to shoot it from different angles, to crouch it down. Probably one of the best things you can do as a photographer is do yoga, so you get fantastic hip mobility. And when you have dramatic light like this, experiment with your exposure compensation. So you could see right now you have all this bright light coming down this way and hitting these beautiful bottles. And essentially what I'm just doing is I'm taking photos from different angles. I'm trying to create some compositions where it's more dynamic, that you're creating more diagonal compositions, because generally when you shoot diagonal compositions it's more dynamic than just shooting head on. Because here, if I shoot it straight on like this, I'm creating these horizontal lines, which is fine. But if I shoot from here, and you see this line from the top left corner, create all these diagonal lines, it's much more engaging, it's much more dynamic, the photos are more interesting to look at. And even a tip too is just get very, very close to whatever you're photographing to create a more surreal composition. So realize, friends, in photography and life, there's beauty everywhere you look. My recommendation is just look up, look down, look left, look right, smile. Take your camera on a walk. It could be a simple camera, you just use your phone. Just walk down slowly, take off your headphones, anything that might distract you. For more inspiration, check out my course, Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Mastering Photography. Your course to see like a beginner again. Description link below, and find inspiration. Even creating nice diagonal compositions here. Shooting with 24mm lens. Getting the diagonals to come from the top left corner. And also connecting to the bottom right corner there. The world is a beautiful place.